Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I would like to announce two new updates for one, the toolbox indicator, and two, the smart money indicator, which has a minor update. So let's talk about the toolbox first. We've updated a couple things. You're now able to customize the session names according to your own preference. So if you want to call London Amsterdam session or New York Dallas session or whatever, you can perfectly do that by yourself. What we've also changed is that you can fill the background between, for example, the London high and the London low. So it looks a bit more cleaner, with showing that if I choose to use background fill, it will just fill the background like it normally did. But if I choose to let it being filled in between the lines, then it gives a way more clear look on which session you're actually in. Also, I will show you guys a quick example afterwards how I'm using the toolbox indicator combined with the smart money indicator. So yeah, let's get to the trade. Oh wait, let's first get to the smart money indicator update. You can now choose to enable and disable the order blocks inside of the lower time frame module. So if you only want to see the structure, you just leave that one enabled. If you want to see both, you leave both of them enabled, or if you only want to see the order blocks, you keep it enabled as well. I have it by default enabled, which is better for me. So yeah, guys, let's get to the trade. This is a trade that I've shared in the Discord community as well. I will show you guys quickly. So here is some proof that I shared it before it happened. Here you can see I placed my limit order on the order block over here. And also that got triggered. I'm always open and transparent with the trades that I'm taking because I don't want to bullshit you guys. Here another quick update, and also somewhere down here where I close the trade. Alright, so let's get to the reason why I took this trade. So as many of you guys know, is that I'm trading from the 15-minute zones, and my lower time frame entry is the 1 minute. So I was basically waiting for a break of structure on the 15-minute, which happened here. Just need to wait for the smart money indicator to load. So here's the supply zone. I went down to the 1 minute. What I see from the session indicator is that price failed to break above the Asian high. So that was an extra confluence why I thought that price would move further downwards. So if we enable the replay mode quickly, we can see that price tapped inside of our supply zone. But what most of the time is happening is that the first high is getting taken out. So we're waiting to see a nice change of character inside of the supply zone. Alright, another high that has been broken, and now we're waiting for that change of character. That happened here. Alright, so we placed our entry on the order block, price just above the most recent high, since liquidity already got taken out, and further from that it was history, guys. So I can also show you guys how I trailed, how I basically trailed the stop loss. So first I needed a major break of structure. After the first break of structure here, I went to break even. After that, I was looking for main structure breaks to move further downwards, to go further break even to secure more profits. And after about, let me see, after about almost 4 hours, my stop loss got hit, and I managed to secure a 20% trade, even though price moved way further down afterwards. But sometimes you just need to take your wins, which 20% is an insane win, especially in forex trading, since the major banks only make about 5 to 10% if you're lucky per year, unless there's like a recession and you lose more than 50% of your account. But yeah, this is what I wanted to show you guys. Two updates, one big one for the toolbox and a small one for the smart money indicator. If you guys like to see these kind of breakdowns on the trades, just let me know and I will post them more often, more frequently. See you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Cheers.